Good morning. This is Dr. Masoodan Reddy, PBR with Kavali. This video session for second BTech first sem EEE students. Subject is Basic Electrical Circuits. Fifth unit, Network Topology. Already covered two video sessions previous. This is the third video. This video will cover by network equilibrium equations on the basis of mesh analysis, network equilibrium equations on the basis of nodal analysis, duality, and dual networks. First, I'll go through this network equilibrium equations based on mesh analysis. See here, this is the network. This network containing the 4 nodes and 6 branches. First, we'll draw the graph. Then we'll go through this network equilibrium equations based on mesh analysis. I'll go through this. Based on this graph, you'll see that 1, 2, 3, and 4 nodes. So this is one branch, this is another branch, this is another branch, this is another branch, this is another branch. So next, another branch is like this. So this is about A, this is about B, and this is about C, and this is about D, and this is about E, and this is about F. F. So here, first you draw the tree. So then only first you want to draw the tree. So first you want to draw the tree. So this is about the tree. Here you'll see that this is the tree. Tree should contain all the nodes. We should follow the procedure. Tree should contain all the nodes and n-1 branches. Then you'll come back. So this is about the link, are also called as a card. And you'll go to this. This is the loop analysis. So how many loops are there? 3 loops. So this is the first loop, and this is the second loop, and this is the third loop. But the directions based on this, based on link direction. Here also based on link direction. So then it will come back. Already you know that how to write the values. So this value matrix, this is called the triset matrix. Triset matrix or nothing but the B. So we know that how to write this B. So here you'll go through this first loop, second loop, and third loop. We'll come back here, third loop. So this is about third. Here we'll go to this A, B, C, D, E, F. So now I'll go to this. So as per this analysis, already we know that if same, so what are the branches are there? A, B, and C is there. A, which direction? Same direction. We put the 1. B's direction, same direction. C is same direction. D, E, F are not, no branches. So then you'll come back here. So then you'll go to this here, a second loop. So in second loop, what are those? F, B, and D. F is same direction. B is opposite direction. D is opposite direction. So -1. So -1. Remaining are zeros. Zeros. Then we'll come back here, third loop. So this is the third loop. Third loop. In this third loop, C, D, E. So E same direction, C opposite direction. is same direction, and B is also same direction. So see here, D is also same direction. So 1, and will come back 0, 0, and 0. See here, so this is above. So next we'll come back. So these are the branch currents. So branch currents are I1, I2, I3, so I4, I5, and I6. These are the different. These are the loop currents, capital I1, capital I2, and capital I3. So now we want to get into the relation. So here from this relation, we'll go to this. I1 is equal to, this is the branch current. What is this? Loop current I1. So based on network equilibrium equation, we'll get into this. So here like this. So but before that, we'll go to this. So IB is equal to B transpose into IL. I will want to write this here. So B transpose. So here IB is equal to, IB mean here, IB mean I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 is equal to transpose. So what is the transpose? 1, 0, 0. Then it'll come back 1 minus 1, 0. Then it'll come back 1, 0, minus 1. Then it'll come back 0, minus 1, 0. Then it'll come back 0, 0, 1. Then it'll come back 0, 1, 1. So into, here it'll go through this capital I1, capital I2, and capital I3. So this is about here. So next, see that what is the relations you are getting here. So based on this, I1 is equal to capital I1, and we'll come back. And I2 is equal to I1 minus I2. So I1 minus I2. I1 minus I2. Then we'll come back. I3 is equal to, here see that I1 minus I3. I4. I4 is equal to, what we are getting? Minus I2. Minus I2. Then we'll come back. I5 is equal to, I3. Then finally, I6 is equal to here I2 plus I3. So these are the equations we are obtaining actually based on KCL. Actual based on these equations, and we'll go to this KCL. So this is about the equations. So these are the equations are called as the based on KCL is also called as the network equilibrium equations. Then we'll come back. Based on KVL, we'll get these equations as KVL. So V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here see that V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is about the KVL, algebraic sum of equation 1. And we'll come back. Minus V2, minus V2, minus V4, and plus V6 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Equation 2. So then we'll come back finally. These are the branch voltages, algebraic sum of branch voltages. Minus V3 plus V5 and plus V6 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Here V1 is nothing but branch voltage I1 into element R1, V2 I2 into R2, V3 I3 into R2, R3, V4 I4 into R4, V6 I6 into R6. Like this, we take that values and substitute. We will finally get into the solution as what is the value of I1, I2, I3. From that, we can able to calculate what is I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 branch current. So this is about the network equilibrium equations based on mesh analysis. Next, you'll come back. Next, you'll come back. Network equilibrium equations based on nodal analysis. Same story will follow that, same thing will follow that nodal analysis also, but we'll go to this nodal analysis. Here also, we follow the same procedure, but the values of this will change as this. How to change these values, we'll see here. Same thing here. We'll take that 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the graph. So A, B, C, D, E, F. And this is about 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, first draw the tree. So 1, 2, 3, like this. So this is a tree. Then you add the link. So here, the same scenario will follow that. Nodal analysis, we should apply the cuts. So here we'll go to this. This is about, we apply the cuts. We should apply the cut. So at every cut, there should be one twig only. More than one twig is not available. So this is not considered as a cut. So this is the first cut, this is the second cut, and this is the third cut. But we should follow the directions of twig directions. So we follow the twig directions. So this is the twig direction, this is the twig direction, this is the twig direction. So here in this direction, here in this direction, here in this direction, Now we want to write the V matrix. Sorry, not V, Q matrix. So Q matrix. So here we'll go through this. So first cut, second, and third. Same thing, A, B, C, D, E, F. We'll see that. So first cut, so what are the branches? A, B, F. A, B, F. A which direction? So opposite direction. So -1. So then what about this B? Same direction, C same direction. Remaining are 0, 0, 0. So then you'll come back second cut. So in the second cut, what about this? So D, same direction. D is the same direction. And you will come back this, what is this other? F. F is also same direction. And F is also, F is also same direction. E is opposite direction. So F is same direction and E is -1. Okay, fine. So then you'll come back, remainings are zeros. So then you'll come back here. So now I'll go to this third equation. So what is the third equation here? Third cut. In this third cut, A, E, B. A is opposite direction. A is opposite direction. So, and B is same direction. And F is, E is same direction. E is same direction. Remaining are zeros, zeros. So this is about these things. Here we'll get into this solutions of this here. Okay, we'll go for it. So here, what about this? We'll go through this node branch voltage V1, V2 like this. So these are the nodal voltages V1, V2, V3. So now we'll see that. So V1 is equal to branch voltage V1 is equal to minus V1 minus V2, and branch voltage V2 is equal to V1 plus V3. Sorry, here also V3, V3, and branch voltage V3 is equal to, here will go as branch voltage V3 is equal to, so this is the C is the V3, only V1, and branch voltage V4 is equal to, here V4 is equal to only V2, and you'll come back, branch voltage V5 is equal to here minus V2 plus V3 plus V3, and you'll come back here. Then what about this? Branch voltage V6 is equal to here, V6 is equal to V2 only. So this is about this. So see here. So this is about V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. Then apply KCL. This is about as per KVL. As per KVL. As per KCL, see that here minus I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0, equation 1. Then you'll come back, I4 minus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0, equation 2. So then you'll come back, minus I1 plus I2 and plus I5 is equal to 0, equation 3. So these are the network equilibrium equations based on nodal analysis. So this is about this thing. I hope that you understood that. So thank you. Next, come back. Duality. See here, what is the duality? A dual of relationship is formed by interchanging voltage and current in an expression. Meaning that if it is voltage is there in one circuit, dual is current. If current is there, dual is voltage. Similarly, if resistance is there, conductance, inductance is there, capacitance. So the dual expression that's produced is the same form, and the reason that dual is always a valid statement can be traced to the duality of electricity and magnetism. See here, so this is a series, but we'll go as a, this is the parallel. So this also how you are getting. There is a procedure is there. We'll follow that procedure. Place a node. I will show that with the help of a notepad. Place a node in each loop of the original network. These nodes are reference nodes in the dual network. Then place a node outside the given network. This node is a reference node of the dual network. Then connect all the nodes by dotted lines through the elements traveling only one element. And for each element traversed in the original network, replace each element by its dual element. So this is the procedure. So for this, what are the dual elements? To interconnect this, you want to change that elements. If it is current is there, voltage. If voltage is there, current. Resistance is there, conductance. Conductance is there, resistance. Capacitance is there, inductance, vice versa. Link is there, tree branch, vice versa. and tie set is there, cut set, tree branch, link voltage, series, parallel, short circuit, open circuit, KVL, KCL, reactance, susceptance, Thevenin's, Norton's, like this vice versa. So now we'll go ahead as we will take a one circuit and we'll explain about this. What is this circuit? See here. So this is the circuit. For this circuit, R, L, and C. So this is the voltage. You want to convert to the dual network. This is actual network, dual network. How to convert? So first you place the dot inside and place the another dot on the outside. So how many loops are there? Only one loop. So that's why you'll go as. So here you follow that. Interconnect these nodes. Okay. So this is the one node and this is the two node. One is within the loop only single loop, we have the single node. And out of a loop is called the reference node. So this is called as a reference node. So now you'll see that you interconnected this like this, and you interconnected like this, and you interconnect like this, and you interconnect like this. So we'll go as. So we'll put that like this. So 1, 2. So how we are connecting in between 1 and 2, this is 1 and 2. So voltage source is there. You replace it with current source. Next element is resistor, but you want to connect this conductance. Next element is inductor, but you want to connect as a capacitor. Next element is capacitor, but you want to connect as a inductor. But how is there series? So this is in series, this is in series, this is in series. So this is in series, this is in series, this is in series, this is in series. Just you are connecting in between. This is the one node. So this is the one node. This is the second node. In between second node. So this is about the current. So this is the dual network. So this is about So this is about the dual network. So thank you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. All the best. God bless you.